Okay, let me explain to you the 5 benefits of the water treatment machine, the Tendilite water treatment box. Number 1 is easy installation. It's plug and play. You get everything is pre-installed. You get this box. All you need to do is you connect backflow, drain, hose to the waterfall, and connection to the tap water. So very easy installation. It's like, I don't know, maybe a half an hour for that maximum. So easy installation. Number 2, safety. Everything is pre-installed by us. We have tested it, and we also have a drip tray down here with a leak detector, which means if anything is leaking, the system will close the water supply so you don't get a big water damage. And of course, because everything is pre-installed inside one place, you save space. And if something is leaking, it is contained inside the box and then down at the leak, at the drip tray, which then will close the water supply. So this was the second advantage. Number 1, fast installation, easy plug and play. Number 2, safety. We have a leak sensor, we have a security overflow. So if something is happening, the water will be safely redirected. Number 3, user-friendly. You can change the filters very fast, which means the reverse osmosis has a quick change system. You just press the button, click, and there it is. So you can change the reverse osmosis pre-filter very fast. The same goes quick change system for the membrane. Change within 2 or 3 minutes instead of half an hour and a big mess. Also user-friendly change of the dirt filter. There is a quick change connection. And regarding user-friendliness, what we also have is here a detector which shows you how much water additive is left in the canister, and it will display it on an app. Also user-friendly, because you don't have to check, oh, is it enough or not? You just go to your mobile and it will display how much water additive is left. So that's the 4th advantage. It is user-friendly. I hope I didn't mix up the numbers. And the 5th, it looks nice, isn't it? So yeah, and it will help you with your inner waterfall, because once you have installed it, you don't have to take care of anything for maybe 2, 3, or 4 months, depends on how big your inner waterfall is. In the meantime, everything is running automatically. All you need to do is from time to time to refill the water additive, to change the dirt filter, and 1 or 2 times per year you change the reverse osmosis. Everything else runs automatically. I'm sorry, the dirt filter, depending on the dirt, you might need to change it every 2 or 3 months. But in between those things you need to do, you don't have to do anything. Everything runs automatically and safe. So yeah, instead of refilling your waterfall manually and carrying buckets of water, I recommend you use a fully automated system, which is here ready, plug and play, for you to use. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon here at Waterfall School and Tendilite.shop. Bye bye.